Growing up, I've always liked making things. When I was younger, I would play with Legos, and as I got older, I would help my parents with renovations. Learning carpentry felt like the next step to do more of that. I just didn't know we'd get to build houses. It feels very empowering to be at the UH community colleges. Everything is exciting and very hands-on. My classmates and instructors are solid, and we get real experience doing real work. I love the fact that I can now look at a house and understand what went into building it. As a Kanaka, I feel proud I'm able to do something directly for my community. I didn't know what to expect when I got here, but I'm glad I found my place at UH community colleges, and I can't wait to do more in the future.